Good evening, everyone. Close your eyes for a moment and picture this. You're gliding down a winding country road in the UK, the breeze dancing through your hair, your favorite music filling the air, pure freedom, right? Now imagine how much sweeter that moment becomes when you're fully prepared, confident, and ready to face anything that comes your way. That's exactly what the UK driving license theory test is all about. It's not just a test, but a pathway to mastering the roads, becoming a guardian of safety, and embracing the journey of life. The theory test is no ordinary hurdle. It's the key to a world of freedom and responsibility. It's about more than memorizing rules. It's about building a skill set that can save lives, including yours. So let's dive into it. First, we'll talk about the multiple choice section. Imagine this. You're driving, and the traffic light has been green for a while. What do? Do you speed up, hoping to make it through, or do you slow down, preparing for it to change? The test teaches you how to make smart decisions, how to read the road, and how to anticipate. It's not about ticking boxes, it's about understanding the why behind every rule. Why does stopping distance matter? Because even the smallest hesitation can save a life, and one moment of thought can prevent a crash. Poppy, let's now turn our attention to road signs. These signs, they're not just shapes and colors, they're the road's silent whispers, guiding and warning you along the way. A simple triangular sign could be the difference between navigating a curve with ease or being caught off guard. They speak a universal language that every driver understands. The better you know them, the safer you'll be. Then comes the exciting part, the hazard perception section. This is where your instincts come alive. Imagine you're cruising down the road, and suddenly, a cyclist wobbles into your lane. How quickly you spot that danger can mean everything. It's like unlocking a superhero ability to see the risks before they unfold. This isn't just about reacting, it's about foreseeing and preventing danger, a skill that will stay with you forever. But what's the true reward here? It's not just about passing a test, it's about earning your independence. It's about having the freedom to explore, to open doors to new opportunities, to drive to that job interview you've been dreaming of, or to take your family on an impromptu road trip. Every rule you learn, every hazard you spot, is an investment in your future. It's your passport to the life you've imagined. Here's a story to show you the real power behind what you're learning. A friend of mine once told me about a time when his quick reaction saved a family. He was driving in the rain when a ball rolled onto the road. He slowed down instinctively. Seconds later, a child dashed after it. That 1 second of awareness, something he had learned in his theory test, avoided a tragedy. Every skill you're learning today has real-life consequences. You're not just taking a test, you're learning life-saving techniques. So how do you prepare? It's simple. Embrace the highway code like it's your map to freedom. Practice with mock tests, just like a gamer sharpening their skills for the final challenge. And know this, the effort you put in today will serve you for a lifetime. In conclusion, the UK driving license theory test is not just a test. It's a journey toward becoming a skilled, responsible driver. It's about protecting yourself, your loved ones, and everyone around you. And most importantly, it's about unlocking the doors to freedom, independence, and adventure. Subscribe this channel because I will give all the required information to you so that you get the driving license.